If you would like to see how I took my daughter's tangled, dry, natural hair to detangled, soft, and juicy curls with 3 easy steps, then keep on watching. Both of my girls were sick with the flu for 2 weeks, so I kept their hair in this bun. I have not done anything to their hair, so their hair is super tangled and very dry. When my girls are sick, I'm not focused on their hair, I'm focused on trying to get them to feel better. Now that they are feeling much better, I'm able to detangle and wash their hair and give their hair the love and care it needs. The first step to detangling Ava's hair is spraying it with water. I'm using warm water to wet her hair. Now, since Ava's hair has been put away for 2 weeks, it's very thirsty and tangled. So if I try to detangle her hair in this state, it's just going to cause breakage, which we don't want. So I like to use water first to add the moisture back into her hair, and it also makes it easier to section. I'm being very generous as I'm spraying her hair with the water. As you can see, her hair starts to drink this water right up. It was pretty thirsty. For step 2, I'm going to section her hair. I'm going to be using clips, but you can use whatever you have on hand. Now moms, I know that you may be eager and want to hurry up, get the detangling over with. I totally get it, but we have to take steps. You don't want to be stressed out with detangling your child's hair, so working in sections is going to make this detangling process so much easier. For Ava's hair, I'm going to be working in 4 sections. If your child's hair is thicker, then by all means do more sections. Everything that I'm using in the video will be linked in the description box and comments for you. Okay, now we are on the last step, which is also the longest step, detangling. To detangle Ava's hair, I'm using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Pre-Shampoo. It's truly a staple in our home. I'm going to work on one section at a time. I like to apply the pre-shampoo all over the section first. Now I'm going to split this section in half, then apply some more product and work that in. I like to add more water. It makes the product more slippery. Now I'm going to finger detangle before I go in with my detangling brush. If you feel like your sections are too big, just make them smaller. With finger detangling, you're able to feel for any tangles and also remove the shed hair. Once I'm done with finger detangling, I go in with my detangling brush that I got on Amazon. You all know that I am an Amazon girl, and it comes in a pack of 3. I'll link it in the description for you. I start from the ends and work my way up. I love using this brush on my girls' hair because it detangles their hair so well without causing any pain. My ultimate goal as a mom is to make sure my girls are relaxed and comfortable when getting their hair done. When they are good, I'm good, and it makes the process go by quickly. I'm so grateful that my girls enjoy getting their hair done. I like to use this time to talk with them and to play games. It's such an enjoyable moment. Once I'm done with detangling, I twist it up. I'm going to finish up Ava's hair, then I'll come back once I'm done. Okay, I'm all done with detangling Ava's hair. She wanted me to take down her twist to see what her hair looks like. And of course, I'm going to do that for her so that she can have a few minutes to enjoy her curly hair before we wash it. Anyways, y'all, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week, Friday. Bye.